guys, welcome to Delicious and I'm Aditi. And today I'm going to be sharing you how to make this trending pull me up cake. I am doing a bride version of it, but you can do it in any version that you want. So I'm starting off with a 6-inch cake. Here I have a chocolate cake filled with some chocolate mousse, but you can do any flavor of your choice. I have loads of recipe on my channel. You can check out the link in the description box below. So I'm just trimming the cake all around to make it into a nice dome for the skirt of the bride. So we're using a serrated knife. I am just trimming off the excess. So don't throw away the excess cake which is coming off. I'm just going to mash it up, and using some ganache, I'm going to stick it up on top to complete the dome skirt shape of the bride. Once I'm happy with the shape of the skirt, I'm going to crumb coat it with some ganache and let it set for 10 minutes in the fridge. And then I'll be doing the final coat of the skirt with some more ganache. To cover shape cakes like this, using an acetate scraper is the best, and it gives you a nice and even finish on top. After the final frosting, I let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it set completely. And then I mix some edible gold dust with some vodka or Evaporex. And then I'm painting it on directly onto my cake. You can use any dust that you want. I let the paint dry for 30 minutes, and then I took a skewer. And with the help of the skewer, I'm creating a design which you'll see in a minute, like this. So what this does is that it just removes the top layer of the paint, and then you get a beautiful design. For the bride topper, I made it out of fondant, but you can also print it out on an edible sheet and then use that. Now I'm putting an acetate roll around the top of the cake and then pouring in some white chocolate ganache which has been dyed red to match the bride on top. The ratio of the ganache would be mentioned in the description box below. So check that out. I also have a video completely on white chocolate ganache. I sprinkled some golden sugar on top and then just pull me up and let the ganache flow. I loved how this cake turned out. If you liked it too, then do like, share and comment. If you make this cake or any other pull me up cake, share a picture with me on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, the handle would be mentioned in the description box below. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more such videos. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.